Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Blackmagic RAW for Resolve color workflow step by step clearly. Begin by downloading the Blackmagic RAW plugin from the Blackmagic Design website. Navigate to the support section on the website. Select your operating system from the available options. Locate the Blackmagic RAW download link and click on it. Once the download is complete, open the installer file. Follow the installation prompts provided by the installer. Ensure that you close DaVinci Resolve before starting the installation. After installation, open DaVinci Resolve on your computer. Create or open an existing project within DaVinci Resolve. To access the Blackmagic RAW files, import the RAW footage into your project. During the import process, DaVinci Resolve will automatically recognize the Blackmagic RAW files. Once your footage is in the media pool, select a clip to work with. Right-click on the selected clip and choose Clip Attributes from the context menu. In the Clip Attributes window, verify that the file type is set to Blackmagic RAW. Adjust any settings as needed, such as decoding options or resolution. Click OK to apply changes and exit the Clip Attributes window. Now, navigate to the Color workspace to begin your color grading process. Utilize the various color grading tools within DaVinci Resolve to enhance your footage. Monitor your adjustments in real time using the playback options. Experiment with different grading techniques to see how they impact your Blackmagic RAW material. Make sure to frequently save your project to avoid any loss of work. Once satisfied with your color grade, proceed to export your project as needed. You have now successfully installed Blackmagic RAW and integrated it into your DaVinci Resolve color workflow. Enjoy the enhanced capabilities that Blackmagic RAW brings to your projects. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.